Our city may not right away get back to normalcy, but we are trying to make steps to begin the work for people to get back to our toes. Secretary Ona came to personally verify and assess the health needs of the city and will open more operating facilities in our city and make our emergency rooms functional in WIMSU and the sanitarium, more responsive to patients. This goes to all other evacuation centers. A team of volunteers and mental health professionals provide debriefing to our hostages. Social workers giving therapy and teachers counseling in evacuation centers. DSWD under Secretary Dinky Soliman is helping us in the rehabilitation plan. Her instruction is to build back better. Aquel cosa antes de la tiene mga casa ay hacer más bueno pa. Today, we began a program at the MCIC to help the informal sector gain daily subsistence through the parishes and through the barangays with the help of TUCHI and other NGOs. In this connection, we shall continue also to heighten the security in the city, and thus we shall request for everyone's cooperation. We have to learn the lessons of this crisis. Today until Friday, the suspension of classes still stands for both public and private schools, and the curfew hours from 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. remains the same. For the City Hall employees, only offices providing frontline services are required to report. However, for those in the national and regional government offices outside the critical areas, we call upon the respective regional directors to set their discretionary judgment to resume operations in their respective offices. For the private establishments and companies, we allow your officers discretionary judgment in their call for the resumption of work. Again, we emphasize that this call to open is only for those areas outside the critical areas, and thus we given the heads of agencies and owners the discretion to operate. Our vigilance continues, and I ask the help of our barangay officials that we shall heighten our security measures in the respective barangays to identify our residents and report those who are suspicious in our areas. We have received reports of civilians coordinating with authorities when confronted with suspicious-looking individuals. That is the kind of cooperation we would like to get from our people. Con todo mga opisyales del barangay, tapiti de ustedes su operasyon, recibí con el mga evacuante, kay bajo na ley, este di atong responsibilidad. El Declaración de Policía del Constitución y bajo la directiva, implementar Policía del Ciudad y función del mga barangay, implementar leyes del ciudad bajo na Acto Republica 7160. I have visited evacuation centers and talked to some children. I asked them in Tausug, "Maita kamuyari? ¿Por qué ustedes aquí? Why are you here?" And they answered, "Pasal awon dinugog namo makusog timba, kay tiene kami yauwi fuerte reventada." We heard a loud laugh, and the children continued saying, "Pasal awon mga tao mabaya sila kawaon in Sambuangan, kay tiene mga gente quiere sacar con el Zamboanga." Because there are people who want to get Zamboanga. So, as mayor, as mother, as sister, as daughter, I assure them, para kato ini Zamboangan. Para kanyo ini. Bukod kita itihir para naong tao, magtabang-tabang kita kanyo. Di aton el Zamboanga, para de ustedes este. No más kita permiti otro sacajo ng aton syudad, mas ayudahan kita. Zamboanga, is ours. Zamboanga is for our children. We shall not allow other forces to reign in our city. Let's help each other. Let not devastation creep in our hearts. Zamboangueños are bigger than this. We shall fight for justice. We shall rebuild this city. We shall come out stronger after all this. I remain inspired that our Nuestra Señora, La Virgen del Pilar, looks upon us, and that the Almighty Father will help us rise above the crisis. We remain under one flag, one Philippines, one Zamboanga. Vaya con Dios a todos.